Wagwan, wagwan! It's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know up. A big shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel, liked my videos, comments on my videos, and most of all, shared my videos. Big up on yourself. One love. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve half box braids and half cornrow hairstyle going backwards. But I have already done the box braids, as you can see. So this is how far up the box braid will go. And for the cornrow part, I am going to be freestyling the cornrows very thin, going backwards over the box braids. My client had this freestyle idea in his head, so I am trying to fulfill that big bright picture in his head of how he wants the cornrows to look. So this client is one of my very loyal clients. He came to me when his hair was very short, and I will put a picture on the screen of his hair when he first started his hair journey with me. And as you can see, his hair was less than 1 inch, and in just 1 year, we've achieved 9 inches of long, thick, and healthy growing hair. A massive shout out to all my clients here in the United Kingdom and Northern Ireland. I am talking about clients who traveled from north, south, east, and west to start their hair journey with me, and to all the clients who traveled from other countries like France, Scotland, Amsterdam, and them places there. Big up on yourself, one love. And to all the clients who stayed loyal to me, wanna know on yourself, so beat on the chest and big up on yourself. You have some clients, right, who came to me with some short hair, and as soon as I grew them hair long and nice, them sell me out. Wanna know on yourself, so hold on the head down and say, me I sell out for true. Like how some people say some man, sure. Anyways, guys, for those of you who have been following my channel for a while now, you guys know that no ear never fall out in my chair. Every client that ever came to my salon, them ear always flourish. I mean, them ear grow till they can't grow no more. If you would like to purchase my Speechless Hair Growth blends, please visit our website, speechlesshairstyles.co.uk, and follow me on Instagram or on Facebook to see my clients' hair growth reviews and their amazing hairstyles and things. Guys, if you like my video, press like, share the video, comment on the video. Whether it's a negative comment or a positive comment, it don't matter. We just want to hear what you think about the video. And don't forget to subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, you're not going to miss out on some things. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Also, follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to keep up with my hairstyles and things. Up.